Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about is, am, are plus verb plus ing. How you can use is, am, are and plus action verb and ing form. Okay, so let's start. We use ing words to show action that are taking place at the time of speaking. It means what you are doing, any action at that present time. In that action word you can add at the end of that word is ing form. Okay, so verb is also known as action verb. Okay, for example, Anil and Rohit are playing football. You can see in this picture Anil and Rohit, they are playing football here. So this is the present action they are doing. Okay, so the present action word you can write ing form in the end of that action word. Okay, so here play is the action word, so I add after play ing, so it becomes playing. I'll show you some more examples. Saira and Poonam are talking. You can see here two girls are sitting on the bench and they both were talking to each other. So Saira and Poonam are talking. Okay, so talk is an action word, so after action word I add ing, so it becomes talking. Varun is sliding down. You can see one boy is here and he is sliding down. Okay, his name is Varun. So Varun is sliding down. Now slide is an action word. After that action word I add ing form, so it becomes sliding. Okay, now Seema is jogging. You can see here one girl is jogging. Okay, so jogging is an action word. Now the word playing, talking, sliding and jogging describe what the children are doing in the park. So with the help of these action words you can understood what the children are doing in the park. Remember that doing words end with e form the ing spelling by dropping the e and adding ing. Yes, now you can see slide. What is the spelling of slide? slide. You can see in this section word the last letter is e, means this section word is ended with the letter e. Okay, so if any action word ended with the letter e, so in place of e you can write ing. You should not write e there, ing, it is wrong. Okay, so you leave the e and in place of e you can write ing, so it becomes sliding. Now you can see slid. In place of e I write here ing, so it becomes sliding. Okay, now one more point I want to tell you, that doing word or any action words ending with consonant, vowel, consonant form the ing spelling by doubling the last consonant and adding ing. I'll show you some more examples, like you can see here jogging. Okay, now you see jog, jog. Okay, now here o is a vowel and g is a consonant. So if you find in any action word or any doing word a vowel as well as a consonant present in the last second last letters, then you should repeat the last letter again. One more time I'm telling you, you should repeat the last letter. What is the last letter of this jog? G. So you should repeat G again and then you can add ing. So it becomes jogging. One more example I will tell you, like you can see PLAN, plan. Okay, now you can see here PLAN. The last two letters are A, that means vowels, and N, that means consonant. So what I do? I'll repeat the last letter again, that means N. N is the last letter, so I repeat here again and then plus ing form. Okay, so what it becomes? P L A N N I N G, planning. Understood, students? How will you repeat the consonants in this form of words? Okay, now we can see where you can use is, am and are. You can always use am with I. Understood? You can always use am with I, like I am studying. Okay, when you are talking by yourself, okay, by ourselves, then we can use I with am. Okay, now we'll see is. Is we can use where a single person is present. Okay, now you can see here example, Varun is sliding down. Here a single boy. Okay, now one more example, Seema is jogging. Here also one single girl is there. So when you are talking about a single person, there you can use is. Okay, now I can tell you about are. When two person, more than one person are present. Okay, now you can see Anil and Rohit. Here you can see two boys. We are talking about two boys. So when you are talking about two persons, there you can use are. Okay, now one more example, Saira and Poonam. Here also you can see there are two persons. Okay, so we can use are. I hope you will understand. Thank you.